Welcome to Slow Eddie's Motorcycle Travel. Today we're gonna pack up the bike for the Washington BDR and get ready to just do an overnighter, real quick one. And in the process, we're gonna make ourselves some steak and have a tasty drink. When I'm packing for a trip, I like to have a tasty drink because it could be a little stressful, and have some dinner while I'm at it. So I'm gonna walk you through the process on how I pack for a trip, whether it's one night or 3-4 days. It's going to be pretty much exactly the same deal every single time. So all my moto camping gear is sorted here, and it's all labeled for the different categories. So you see I got clothing here, I got sleep, shelter, nothing in there, who knows, who knows, I don't know, luggage, gadgets, tools, food, hydration, personal, riding gear, lighting, and that's my little cook kit. But first we gotta see if the steak is done. Looks good to me. And she should be done right about now. Let's get her off of there. Let her rest for a little bit there. I don't know how many tongs, so I guess you just bare hand the asparagus here. Ow! Ow! It's kind of hot, so I'll get it with a fork here. Yep. Yeah, buddy. All right. I picked up this little folding knife from my camp kit. Let's use it to cut up the steak. All right, let's see what we got here, boys and ladies. Yeah, that's about how I like it. Perfect. All right, taste test. Huh. Hi, babe. Hello. I'm just cooking steak and pack my motorcycle. What are you doing?
I'm gonna cook one of my this.
Okay. Well, so.
Who are you talking to?
But you know that to the YouTube.
No.
Say hello. What, babe? You don't want to say hi and hello?
No.
It's live right now.
No, it's not.
I'm just joking. You want to try my steak?
You turned it off?
Yeah.
Oh, you forgot about this?
I didn't know I was supposed to cook that. I'm sorry.
All about you, isn't it?
Okay, I just cooked this delicious steak, and now I asked Angela if she wanted some steak for dinner, but she declined, and now she's gonna put her delicious tube-shaped non-meat on the grill here. Go ahead, sweetie. Let her rip. Why don't you tell the YouTubes what you're making there?
It looks like a turd.
Look at that thing. I wonder what it actually is. Oh, hear it.
Protein.
Listen to it not sizzle.
Pea protein.
Enlarged. This is not enlarged to show texture. That's actually what it looks like. Mmm. Yum yum. You excited?
It also has only 190 calories,
Oh wow.
12 grams of fat,
No way.
5 carbs,
Uh-huh.
and 16 grams of protein.
Yeah, tell me more.
No cholesterol. No cholesterol. You're dripping.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, my meat juices are flowing. Okay, so this is...
Don't drip your meat.
Don't drip my meat?
No.
So this is the bike I'm taking on Friday. Babe, you know I'm going on Friday for an overnighter?
I didn't know it was overnight.
Yeah.
Where at?
Washington BDR. So anyways, I'm taking the CRF. We're going to do an overnighter just to get out and do the dang thing. I'm running the Moscow Reckless 80s. And I always leave the bags on as I'm packing them because it's so much easier to get stuff in the bags. If you fill these up and then try to put them in, you're going to wrestle it the whole freaking time. So don't do that. Oh, babe, your wiener's burning.
Your wiener's burning.
It's releasing all of its natural...
Pea protein.
Does it have natural juices?
Pea protein.
Does it have natural juices?
I don't know.
It's releasing all of its unnatural juices. Okay, steak is on the hatch. Let's get to packing. Okay, first up is shelter. I put this in the bottom of one of my bags. and I put it in order of what I use, what I put down first. So footprint will go. So fly is the last thing. So this is my Kelty Dirt Motel 2. So I put this in first because this is the last thing that I will actually use. Okay, so tent flag goes in first on the bottom because I need that very last. And I don't even put it in the bag. I just roll with everything out. It is so much easier to pack and it compresses in the bag way better. So next up, oh shit. Okay, so the next up I'm gonna need the tent. So this is my regular tent. So again, no bag. It just goes in just like so. You just stuff it in. No dealing with rolling your tent up in some stupid little stuff sack. And the first thing I need is the footprint. So this is basically just my shelter bag. And I don't know what you're doing over there, you weirdo. Get your fork out of here, Missy. Now that the shelter's taken care of, I get to the sleep, and that goes in my second bag in the Moscow Motos. All right. Sleep. So I got my Thermarest pillow, Nemo Quasar. And that's it for sleep stuff, right? Oh yeah. Where's my sleeping bag? I don't even know. Hey, get out of here with that fork. Babe, is your wiener done?
Your wiener's done.
Are you gonna give me a bite shot
No,
and give me a
too hot.
review on how it tastes?
It looks like a wiener.
It actually looks pretty good. I mean, it looks regular.
No, it tastes good.
All right, give her a shot. I want to see how it tastes. No, you gotta barehand it.
Real hot and juicy.
What's it taste like?
It stuck to my teeth.
What does it taste like?
It's good.
Like, but what does it taste like?
Like barbecue.
Like barbecue. Would you bite again?
Spicy barbecue.
Would you rather have a steak or that?
This is good.
Go girl. Love you so much.
Except it stuck to my teeth.
Give me a kiss. Bye.
I need to review that.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, sleeping bag is up here. Shouldn't be there. It should be in sleep. I don't know what it's doing up there, but that's okay. And it's in this stupid freaking stuff sack. We're gonna have to fix that. Okay, so sleep. So what goes first? Well, I guess the first thing I need is gonna be my my pad, and so I'm gonna put the pad last. And the other stuff is no big deal. But like I said, I don't use these stupid stuff sacks. So this thing, get out of here, stuff sack. So sleeping bag, probably the last thing I'll need. So it's gonna have to go first. Just cram it on in down there. It's gonna fill all the voids and pack perfectly in the Moscow Moto Reckless 80. Goosh! 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 Okay, like I said, I need the mattress last, so a pillow will go in. Like a glove. This fits perfectly in the Moscow. Okay, so there's sleep. And it's all super freaking snug in there. Both of these for shelter and sleep. I mean, these things are like cavernous. I mean, there's my shelter and there's my sleep, and I got room for days. Break time. Gotta get that vitamin C in. So next up is the camp kitchen. And I'm just gonna end up packing some food that I just randomly have in my food drawer. Okay, so here's the camp kitchen. I got my trusty jet boil right here with the French press inside. I got my knife, my X-Pot Sea to Summit. I got a lighter and matches, spatula, fuel, MSR fuel thingamajanger, or the stove just in case this thing craps out or I want to cook differently, whatever. I have multiple options. And then this is my rando food drawer where I just put like the leftovers from my trips in here, just like the packable stuff, you know. So I'll just, I don't know, what are we gonna eat here, folks? Don't go home with or leave anywhere without the Montreal steak. Oosh. That'll go. Gonna need some energy brew. I'll be super tired. That can go. This and a tortilla with some Frank's Red Hot. Okay. What else? What else? Oh, gotta get that coffee brew. This is a fresh pack. I'm gonna have to rip that open. What else? I think we're gonna do, what's dinner time? Spanish rice, lentils and beans, delicious. Okay, do we have breakfast covered? I don't think we do. Oatmeal, sure. Let's see, there's some mayonnaise for my burrito. Nuts for a snack. More mayonnaise. Another bar, snack, applesauce. That should do her. Okay, kitchen, perfect. Okay, so the kitchen kit with all my cooking stuff and whatnot, headlamp, fuel, food, the whole enchilada, and this little thing is going to go into the Stinger 22, and it fits really nicely. I like just having all my stuff in this one case that I can just pop out real easy. If I can get it in here. Like a glove, fits perfect. Okay, so kitchen is taken care of. Kitchen and food. Okay, so now I'll put my clothes in one side of this. I'll put like my emergency kit and other goodies in there. We'll be good to go. Dude, I forgot the freaking tortillas. Little backpacking trip. Boom. Boom. Chicken burritos. I'll likely stop at a camp store and get like a buffalo chicken salad, and then I'll use that salad with the dressing and the chicken and make some bomb ass burritos on the trail. Okay, gotta pack up the clothes, but first I'm gonna say hi to Mimi. Love you so much. Love you so much. Oh, headbutting the YouTubes. That's a good kitty. Mimi, love you so much. That's Lorna. This is Sisbum Pal, the stair troll. Ah, Sisbum Pal, come here. Oh shit! Cat fight. Oh. About to be a what? A cat fight? You be nice to each other, girls. Okay, so this is just a quick overnighter, so I don't need much. Okay, I need. I want to stay warm, so I'll bring my Mountain Hardwear down bottoms and top. I'll probably just wear the same undies, but I want some wool socks in case I get chilly. And then what else I got here? Who's that? Potential spam. Leave me alone, bro. Oh, let's see who it is. Hello, how can I help you? Hello? Okay, it's no one. Anywho, where were we? Okay, we got socks. We got warm stuff. I usually pack some base layers. Here they are. Okay, I have my Under Armour Cold Gear base layers, the pants, and a top. That's really pretty much all I need. I'm gonna wear my pants. Don't need no. Okay, I mean, I'll bring some undies, bro, just in case. What's up? In case I poop my pants. Usually I just wear the same crusty undies. I think we're good. Okay, so I got all my clothes. Oh, what am I doing here? So I got all my clothes here. Guess what? I don't put it all in a bag. I'm just gonna put it right in that Moscow Moto dry bag. I don't mess around with those compression sacks and whatnot. Just go straight for the bag, bro. Oh, shit. All the clothes are going in my sleepy bag. I just bring this in my tent. I toss the clothes in the corner. I'm good to go. Okay, that comprises the sleep / clothes bag. So now I can close the clothes bag. All my strappies are a little all tightened up for when I don't have a bag in here, so I gotta undo the thingamajigs real quick. Good. Good. Cool. So that's it for that bag. It's perfect. What's next? Hi, babe. What you do? Say hi.
I was doing the yard.
Oh, you're doing yard work like a good babe?
Yes.
Oh, I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, that's real good. Yes. I'm probably going to need some water. So I'm going to bring my 4-liter MSR drum dory bag and the cap. Of course, all stashed away in my hydration area. Meow, meow. Put the water going here. I only fill up about 2 liters of this here. I only need like a gallon for overnight, maybe a gallon and a half for a day and a half probably. So that's what I'll roll with. Okay, so I'm no like mathematician, but I'm pretty sure 2 L's, half of this would be like a half a G. Maybe my Canadian friends could help me do the conversion. I'm no genius. But about half of this bag, I like the big bag, so in case I need more water, I can have it. But about half of 2 liters fits this Moscow Moto little bag right here perfectly. So it works out really nice. So then I can kind of just like pop this out and I can like wash my hair under here, or I use this little spigot you can see here. You just be like, "Whoa, what's up, dude?" This thing is awesome. So fits like a freaking, like a glove. Just over 2 liters. And then the Moscow Moto thingamajig comes over, clips in, like so, and you tighten her up, and boom, you've got just over 2 liters and your little camp shower and camp faucet, basically. Sweet. All right, in this little zip pocket pouchy thing, I got chapstick, toothpaste, toothbrush, face lotion, keep me looking beautiful, and some handy sandy. Then I got the doodle paper. I got to keep that you know, close just in case there's a trail emergency. And I got my tent light. So tent light goes in tent bag. Doodle paper. Doodle paper is got to go somewhere where I can get to it quick, so I'll just stash it in the doodle paper pocket. Really smart for Moscow there. And forgot the flippy floppies, so these guys will go in. Cool, then all that's left is to put my kitchen kit on, and right there, back in the bag. I was just double checking it, and strap down my camp chair. I'm good to go. And that's how I pack for a moto camping trip, boy.